Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking stir-fried ginger chicken in scallion sauce. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we'll prepare the sauce for the chicken. I have with me over here 200 milliliters of water. Add in 10 grams of young ginger grated, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, half a tablespoon of dark soy sauce for that beautiful dark hue, half a teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of Chinese rice wine. You can omit this if you do not want to, and a few dashes of white pepper. Mix them up well. Once you have mixed them up well, we'll put our dish together. Now we'll pan fry our chicken first. Heat up a wok using medium heat. Add in just a little bit of oil. Swirl the oil around a little bit. Now we'll add in our chicken. I have with me over here 1 whole piece of boneless chicken leg weighing approximately 300 grams. I've cut them into small bite-sized cubes like this. Alright, you can do the same, skin on, because it will taste better with a little bit of chicken fat. Spread them out. We want to brown them a little, get rid of the excess moisture so that they will absorb the sauce much better later. Once you have spread them out, we'll just let it be for about a minute or so before we flip them over. I did not add any seasoning nor flour to the chicken. Just chicken, cut it up, put it in. This way we are also rendering the fats out of the chicken so that the dish will be more tasty. But of course, if you want it healthier, you can just remove the chicken fats as well as the skin too. It's been about a minute or so. So let's just have a look to see whether it has brown on one side. Right. Let me just take one piece out and show it to you. Something like this will be fine, right? A little bit of brownness. So now I just flip it to the other side. It has been about another minute already, so let's just check it out. Right, they've browned a little bit also. I think I need another minute or so. I want them to be a little bit on the dry side. I've been cooking this for another minute, a total of 3 to 4 minutes. Right, yeah, they have browned beautifully. So this is something that we want. Okay, now we'll just remove them from the heat. Turn down the heat first. Right, leave the oil back in the wok. Using a strainer, just scoop up the chicken. I'm doing this because I want to leave the oil behind so that it's more flavorful for the dish. Using the same oil, now I add in the stem of 1 whole scallion. Add in the stem first. Now if you do not have scallion, you can use spring onions instead. Also add in 1 whole red onions. If you do not have red onion, then you can use yellow onion. Slice thinly like this, put everything in. Now turn the heat back up to medium and we'll fry this until the onion soften and is fragrant. This is a very simple dish to put together, especially for people who are busy and still want superb home cooked food because there's no marinating being done here. I'm starting to smell very beautiful fragrances coming out from the scallions as well as the onions. Now once the onions have become a little bit translucent like this and soften a bit, we'll add in garlic. Add in 3 or 4 cloves of garlic, chopped finely like this. Mix well until you can smell the garlic. Wow, smells really good. Once you can smell the garlic, add in the chicken. Mix them up well again. Add in the sauce that we have just prepared. Mix them up well. Put the lid on. Without reducing the heat, still at medium heat, we'll braise this for about 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Wow, look at how pretty this is. Now we add in the rest of the scallions. Just put everything in. Give it a good mix. Now, depending on how well done you want the scallions to be, if you like it a little bit crispy and a little bit spicy, now you can actually add in your cornstarch. But if you want it a little bit softer, you can cook this for another maybe 10, 20, 30 seconds or so. Okay, this is how we like it to be. Now we just add in a little bit of cornstarch solution. Thicken it to the consistency that you like. Wow, this is really, really perfect with steamed rice. And now the dish is done, it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Smells really, really, really good. Let's give this a taste. A little bit of chicken with the sauce and rice. The sauce, this is really, really fantastic. The aroma of the scallion with a hint of the ginger itself, this is really great with steamed rice. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you, bye bye. Wow, fantastic.